I'm delighted to welcome everyone to our 10th annual UCLA Anderson Women's Leadership Summit. This conference is one of Anderson's most anticipated, most successful events.
I would love for all attendees to really feel the sense of community that we create as women at Anderson.
I think it feels amazing to be in person all together. It feels really empowering, and just the energy and the passion of all the women who are in the room.
Our mission this year, we wanted to bring in women that the audience member could relate to.
We're building inclusive environments, so then people from diverse backgrounds, for example, want to be there.
We can't further our mission and get to this audacious vision of serving 2.5 billion individuals around the world if we're not profitable. Fundamentally, why I do this is to enable or engender more trust in the world.
This morning's session was extremely encouraging to understand that you can be a for-profit organization and toe that line of still doing good.
We're hosting a ton of different panels on NFTs, crypto, how to take control over your finances, how to present yourself confidently in a room where there's often not that many other women.
We know that when women have a seat at the table, things are different.
I'm especially excited for Julie Rice. Her whole life has been about building community and building a community that allows people to lift each other up.
For women in business, I think it's okay for us to ask each other for what we need. We're all busy, but we all have time in the day to think about one thing, one way we can pay it forward, one way we can help somebody else.
One of the best things about this event has been the opportunity to really connect with some of my classmates, women that I don't know, and talk about some of the struggles that we experience as women in the workplace.
Today, I hope people come away feeling with a sense of foundation, togetherness, and empowerment.
The more that you can take stock and really deeply understand and have that self-awareness about what's important to you, the better chance you're likely to have to find that job that's going to be able to meet those needs.
And are you enjoying who you are doing what you're doing? And if your answer is maybe, then maybe look for something else. Maybe look for something different. The scariest thing to do is to take that leap.
I hope everyone's taking notes. That was amazing. Totally amazing. I think if anyone can just find a little nugget of inspiration from one of these speakers or panels or workshops, then we've done our job.
Your feminist premise should be I matter. I matter equally. That, I believe, is how we rise.